Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm sitting in the S-Presso, the VXI. So today's video will be about showing you how to use a Smartplay dock. So let's put the ignition on. Okay, wait. This is your speedometer. How it looks. Instrument cluster. Okay, now let's not focus upon this. I'll show you how to use this. Okay. Now this is your mute button. Wait, I'll just go back. Mute button, normal. Long press, power off. One touch, on. Okay. So it is how it is like, say. Now this is your tuning button. Okay. This is your aux and USB. This is for your programs, program 3, program 2, program 1. If I go backside, program 12. Okay, and if you do a long press on program 1, it will be auto tune. This is your menu. So in menu what you have is sound settings, equalizer, bass, treble, balance, fader, AVC. Speaker configuration is 2 and 4 speakers. You have option of putting 2 speakers. Currently S-Presso provides 2 speakers in the front. So go back. Bluetooth settings is initial settings, Bluetooth power off, talk volume not connected, it's okay. I'll show you what settings are there. Ringer volume, initialize, back. Then you have pairing, name and passkey. Then you have edit passkey, that's the password. Pairing audio list. Then pairing phone list, device information, Maruti Suzuki, this is the IP address. Back. Then you have something called dial. It's not connected, that's why nothing is coming. Next you have system settings. You have beep on. Okay. This is what like for the system. Okay. Then you have security settings. Security on and off. This is for the car. Initialize, reset to Bluetooth. Then you have vehicle alerts. Parking brake engaged on. That's the alarm. Seat belt open. Alarm and warning shows on the screen. Door open also. Ajar, it will show on the screen. Low fuel also will show on its display. So now I'll go back. Then you have reverse warning priority. It shows you low audio volume in reverse gear. You should always set it to yes. It's good. It has a safety feature. Then auto scroll, you can keep it off. Then you have RDS, not so important, leave that alone. And you go back. So this is what you have menu. Now I'll show you display. Wait, what you have modes. AM, Bluetooth, FM, AM. Okay. This is to answer the call, this is to end the call. That way. Okay. So if you have any queries, one thing missing this thing. This is what screw is this. This is an accessory where you can mount your holder. It will be like your, let's show you for example. If there's a holder over here, it will be like a screen for you, like this way. It comes in MGA accessories, so you have to buy it purchase separately. Okay, so you can just give a review of this, show you. This is what you have in the menu. Go back. I'll show you how to set the FM station. Long press. Let's do 91.9. Click this and long press. It's set to 91.9 on program 1. Then to program 2, click program 2 here. 92.7. I'll do long cut, auto scroll. Okay. Let's go back, sorry. .7 long press, scroll down, long press. That is how you save a station.